एम्प्लॉयमेंट करपाक IPB जावं जाल्यार आमची IT पॉलिसी जावं नाल्यार इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी जावं इज क्लियरली डिस्क्रायबिंग इन्सेंटिव्स बेस्ड ऑन एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू गोन्स. आतां इनिशिएटीव फुडें घेता आसतना द फर्स्ट थिंग वॉट वी हॅव हायलायटेड इन दीस मंथ की वी नीड टू कम आउट विथ ट्रेड फेअर्स वीच वील हॅव सम अवेरनेस ऑर सम जॉब सिकर्स कमिंग इन. सो ताच्या खातीर ह्या म्हयन्यान आमी जवळ जवळ मे आनी जून 10 पर्यंत 3 ट्रेड फेअर प्लॅन केल्ले आसा. पयलो ट्रेड फेअर इज ऑन 11th of this month at Porvorim, which is open for the people of Goa to come, especially North Goa, to come and address their grievances or issues where they say आपल्याक unemployment आसा जाल्यार आपल्याक सिनेरियो चान्स मेळटलो काय म्हणून. Roughly from employers side we already have a confirmation of about 35 companies confirming. The target is to have about 50 companies on board. हे करता आसतना the next day on 12th, in the second half, we have broadly called for a meeting of HR managers of all the companies which are having more than 50 employees. We have invited them for a chat, a get together where we can share our thoughts as a government, what we have as plans. We are basically ensuring that all the companies which are coming and smooth registration of the people जावचे म्हणून आमी ऑनलायन रजिस्ट्रेशन चालू दवरिल्लें आसा.